Welcome to my channel. Today our topic is a journey by bus. I had to attend a friend's marriage at Sahiwal. I decided to go by bus. I reached the bus stand at 8 a.m. I found a bus ready to start. I got a seat at the back. Most of the passengers were villagers. They were smoking and spitting. It was a very tiresome journey. The bus stopped every now and then to pick up passengers. It covered the 100 miles between Multan to Sahiwal in 6 hours. I thanked God when I left the bus. My head was giddy. My face was covered with dust. I swore never to travel by bus again. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.